Here is a single-handed tool. It's great for attaching drops to spouts, something you can do in your living room. These tools are designed for either 5/16 inch tubing or 3/16 inch, but not both, so make sure you purchase the proper size. Some people are able to add some padding to a 5/16 inch clamp to retrofit a 3/16 inch tube, but never the other way around. You want the clamp to come down snugly on the tube to hold it firmly, but not too tight that it restricts you from pushing the fitting into it, so it may need adjustment with the first use. Turn this screw to make adjustments. Once properly adjusted, it shouldn't need readjusting, so experiment with it until you get it just right. Insert your tubing into this yellow clamp with about 1/4 inch sticking out and clamp it down. Then place your fitting into the U-shaped holder. You may have to play around with the angle of the fitting a little bit, and it's easiest to get the fitting started into the end of the tube before squeezing the handles closed. Tubing is always easier to work with and more pliable in warmer conditions. You'll want the tube to fit snugly up against the stop on the fitting because the goal is to create a tight, closed system that will hold vacuum. This tool also has a tubing cutter.